I'm sure you've heard already about the issue with Senator Rodante Marcoleta. Tumanggap daw siya ng mga donation na ginamit niya sa kampanya, but in his defense, sabi niya the donations were made before the campaign period started, meaning that he was not yet a candidate at that time. We talked actually to COMELEC yesterday or last night. Ang sabi ng COMELEC, kasi kung ganun ang argumento, ang BIR ang mukhang kailangang tumingin dun sa issue at hindi ang COMELEC. Dahil ang tanong doon ay, ito po ang tanong ko sa inyo, in that case po, should Senator Marcoleta have paid donors tax for any contributions that or donations that he accepted before he became an official candidate with the start of the campaign period last year?
For collections, for donations naman po kasi for campaign period, that was granted before the election period, is dapat subject sa donor's tax po.
Subject dapat sa donor's tax po. Tama ho?
Yes po. Yes
I
po.
got you right. So he should have paid donor's tax if he insists that it is not covered by the campaign period because it was done before the start of the campaign period. Magkano po yung donor's tax dapat? How much would that be in percentages?
It's 6% po of the amount, donated amount.
Okay. I don't know if I don't know if you can answer this, but would the BIR have any record of any payment of the donor's tax by the senator, by the good senator?
We will check on that po. Or if we have, we can check po on his filing po kung nabayaran po yung donor's tax.
Kasi yung po, that's the conundrum right now. Kasi lumalabas kasi na wala raw siyang, ang ginastos daw niya sa kampanya is 112 million, pero ang kanyang salin is nasa 52 million lamang. So mas malaki ang ginastos niya kaysa sa yung kanyang pag-aari at wala raw siya officially na mga campaign contributors. Kaya po lumabas ang issue na yan na ito ba'y donation within the campaign period or donation outside the campaign period. So klaro po 'yon.
Must pay
any
donor's
donation
tax
made before he became a candidate,
Yes po.
regardless of whether it is used
Yes,
for
po.
the campaign itself or for other personal purposes, has to have been subject to donor's tax.
Basta before po the campaign period.
Yes, ma'am.
Attorney,
I think, by the way,
pwede bang belated payment?
Yes,
Kung
sorry,
hindi na
sorry,
bayaran,
sorry ma'am.
pwede bang bayaran ngayong taon?
Yes po ma'am, we can make an assessment but subject to the corresponding penalties and interest.
May penalty yon, may penalty. Hindi naman siya criminal
Yes.
Wala namang criminal doon.
Yes po.
Ha?
Subject lang po sa corresponding surcharge and interest.
Okay.
let me just correct the record as well. I think he
Pero
reported.
pero
Go ahead, ma'am. Go ahead, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
pero if it's if it's proven that there was an unintentional failure to file the appropriate taxes, pwede po rin masasubject sa criminal liability.
Pag intentional.
What does that mean, ma'am?
Yeah.
In terms of intentional...
Paano mapapatunayan kaya
Opo.
tax evasion yun eh?
Aksidente.
Paano kaya mapapatunayan
Oo.
yun?
Kasi po alam naman na po na kung sa subject siya sa excise as a donor's tax at hindi po nabayaran. Depende po we will check on that po.
Kasi po
Okay.
that's basically between October 2024 and February of 2025 pa. Bali, basically more than a year ago.
Yeah.
And the spending,
Okay.
the figure for campaign spending was 139.9 million pesos.
That's the latest.
That's
Yeah.
that's what he reported, but the declared net worth was 52 million pesos nga. So there's a big discrepancy there. Okay, but it's clear. I mean, as far as donors tax, we all pay donors tax. I mean,
If you get donations.
yeah, exactly. Kahit naman even for assets like land, you have to pay donors tax.
Meron namang history, attorney, ng nakasuhan nyo in similar situation? Similar non-payment ng donor's tax?
Based on records po, I do not have any data sa ngayon, pero parang wala pa po.
Okay.